Whether you want to just deepen your own practice, become a yoga teacher, or expand your continuing education, our 30-day teacher training is designed to help you embody wholeness and align to your highest self. Our holistic curriculum covers Hatha, Raga, and Vinyasa Yoga, featuring daily meditation, Vedic mantras, live sitar music, kirtan, and dance. We explore soma and psyche through trauma-informed approaches to healing the nervous system and repairing our limiting beliefs. We practice together as a family in an ashram-like environment, embodying inclusiveness and integrity, decolonizing yoga and returning to its roots, where you embrace the 5 core competencies of yogic body, Vedic mind, Sufi heart, indigenous relationships, and Zen living. If your heart is beating yes, you feel a yearning to discover more, learn about our True Yoga Teacher Training Program. We hope to see you there.